Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open private or incognito browsing section in Microsoft Edge. So firstly open Edge. Now here click on these three dots. Here guys you will see the option New in private window. You can open this one using shortcut Control plus Shift plus N. You can use this shortcut. So as we can see, this is in private browsing. Here you can check different what in private browsing does, what in private browsing doesn't do. And also you can turn on this setting. Always use strict tracking prevention when browsing in private. Turn on this setting. So this is the way you can open private and incognito in Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching.